Hello friends, welcome to Saho Studies. In this video, we are going to see how union by name function works in PySpark. So why generally we use union by name function? So it is used to merge two data frame with different schema by passing one parameter named as allow missing column is equal to true. Earlier we have seen two union function. One is union and one is union all. Both merge two data frame if their schema are same. If we use union or union all with two data frame to merge into one, if their schemas are different, then Spark will going to give error. But if we have two data frame with different schema, and if we want to merge it into one data frame, then we can do with the help of union by name by passing this parameter as a value. What we are going to do in this exercise, first we are importing the required libraries. Here we are creating two list variable and passing the address of the CSV file which we are going to read. Here we are creating a custom schema with the help of a struct type and a struct field. We are defining column name and data type in struct field. AP name, string data type, AP gender, string data type, AP salary, integer data type, AP state, string data type, AP cities, string data type. Here what we are doing, we are creating two data frame by this one and this one by reading the CSV file with the help of spark.csv file with the help of the list variable and the custom scheme which we have defined here and above. Now, what I am going to do this data frame. What I am going to do, I am just rename the column to make. I'm just changing one of the column name in a data frame. So this data frame we are going to change column name AP salary and AP salary to AP salary underscore rename. Now this data frame and this data frame now after changing the column name, the schema is different. Here the schema is different. We are using this group by name function to merge these two data frame into single data frame by passing one parameter known as allow missing column is equal to true and then displaying the data frame with the help of a display function. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to copy the code till creation of a data frame with the help of spark.read.csv function. We have done multiple times in my previous video. I'm going to copy the code to save time, and I will going to show you how. After that, I will going to show how this union uh, function works in Databricks. Let's go to the Databricks. Let's create a notebook. Name it as union by name. Now copy the code till we create data frame by reading the CSV. from the code. Let's create the list variable. This list variable created successfully. Not list. This list variable created successfully. This data frame has been created successfully. Let's display the content. See this is the content. Now what I'm going to do, I am creating a new CSV, new data frame underscore one, and I'm going to change one uh, name of the column, one column name. Okay, with the help of a column renamed. Here what I'm suggesting, AP underscore salary, rename it as AP underscore salary underscore renamed. Let's see the content of this data frame. We can see the name of the salary is renamed from AP salary to AP salary rename. Now see, if you want to merge these two data frame, this one and this one, with the help of union by name, how it will going to work. So first copy this one, this data frame. On top of that, let's call union by name function, and then put this data frame name, and use one parameter known as allow missing column true. Let's run it. Let's see the content of this data frame. Now observe this data frame we are creating by merging this data frame and this data frame with the help of a union by name function by passing this parameter. So the two columns AP salary is not present in this data frame, and AP salary rename it is not present in this data frame. So what allow missing columns done here, it is also merged the columns which is not present either of them. For instance, AP salary is not present here and AP salary name is not present here. So in this data frame, this union by name is included both of the data frame which is not present either of them. And if it is not present, then AP salary and AP salary rename, you can see it would be of null value. If AP salary is present, AP salary rename would be null, and if AP salary rename is present, then AP salary would be null. So we can see here how we can use union by name function to merge two data frame with different schema into one schema. Not one schema, one data frame. Let's go to the PPT. Thank you. If you like content of my video, then please subscribe my channel, like it, comment on it and press the bell icon to get notification whenever I add videos.